Hey everyone, it's Aaronmerges with Gabriel Gibson of Lifehousecircle. We're continuing our series on why invest in real estate. You know, you pay a lot of money in taxes as is, as an employee, with sales taxes, with all sorts of hidden taxes that are floating around you probably don't even realize every day. One of the great advantages about investing in real estate is that you can use legal and smart strategies to help preserve that wealth that you're accumulating for yourself and your family in the future.
Obviously, as you get more into it, we want you to consult with your CPA, your tax attorney, to make sure that all of the technicalities are addressed and everything is being done correctly for you and for the sake of your investments. But there are so many advantages and tax opportunities to preserve the money that's normally coming right out of your pocket from your paycheck.
You know, one of the things that's great about real estate is depreciation.
So when you own a rental property, the property obviously over time is going to have wear and tear, and every single year that you own the property, you can actually write off a percentage of how much you paid for it and save on those taxes.
And another thing along with depreciation is you're going to have to fix things up from here and then. You got contractors you're going to be paying, repairs that you're going to be paying for, and that adds to some of the deductions that you get.
All the contractors, repairs, when you hire someone to do some work on a property, again, like Aaron said, you can write all that off. As it pertains to your mortgages and the money that you've borrowed on it, you get to write off the interest, all of the interest that you pay year after year after year, totally tax deductible.
And in addition to the interest, you're likely to have some sort of insurance policy on your investment property. That would be wise. That's another item you can look at as a deduction.
So there's so many different aspects and so many different ways where you can write off your expenses for real estate, including your legal and professional consultations. If you have a home office that you do your real estate investing work from, there's a lot of different ways, including one of my favorites, which is a tax exemption for your homestead or the house that you live in.
Yeah.
As it stands right now, as it pertains to the IRS, specifically here in Texas, if you are living in a house and you've lived there for 2 of the last 5 years, you can sell it and up to $250,000 not be taxed even 1 penny. If you're married, you can do that same number up to $500,000. So that's a great way. I know people who specifically will buy a house, they'll live in it for 2 years, they'll do some updates, fix it up, and then sell it completely tax-free. And you can do that again and again and again. And that's just one of the great opportunities available to you in real estate.
So if you've been renting for a long time, or you're renting right now and you've kind of been on the fence about buying real estate, these are some great advantages. There are numerous advantages to owning real estate. The exemption for having a homestead is another great one to help you build wealth over the next couple of years, even if you don't have a lot to start with right now. So thank you for tuning in. Please like our page. Share it with your friends and family that you think would benefit from learning this information. Go to lifehousecircle.com, sign up to see some more opportunities and educational information that we'll be presenting. And thank you. We'll see you next time.